Hi, it's Miss Alana, and we are working on today's math practice. It is Wednesday, March the 16th, and this is question number 5, numero cinco, number 5. All right, so the domain is number and operations in base 10 and standard number 5. And if you can do this problem, you could say the I can statement. I can fluently, that means really, really good and really, really fast. I can fluently add and subtract within 100 using my understanding of place value and the value and the properties of addition and subtraction. All right, so here we go. Subtract, then check your answer by adding. 731 minus 486. All right, so remember, just like we did yesterday, we subtract it first, then we check our answer by adding the numbers, okay? Remember, because they're in a fact family. Even though they're such huge numbers, they're still in a family. Just like some families have a lot of people in their family, that's like a lot of people in that family. All right, so 731 minus 486. So we start right there in the ones place. Show me 1, 1. Can you take away 6? Oh, no. So what does the 1 have to do? Borrow from a friend. Number 3, can I borrow? Okay, number 1, here you go. So the number 3 becomes a 2, just like that. And then the 1 becomes a what? 11. So cross that out and change that into an 11. Okay? So 11 take away 6 right here. Now, you should know your fact family of 11 and 6, but if not, let's count up. 6 in your mind, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much is that? 5. And you know 6 plus 5 is what? 11. So there we go. There's 5. Next, we have 2 take away 8. Oh, excuse me. Can you do that? Oh, no. So 2 has to do what? Borrow from a friend. Number 7, can I borrow? Okay. So the 7, we're going to cross that out and change that into a what? A 6. Oh, excuse me, 1 second. Oh, excuse me. Oh my goodness, my throat. I need to drink some water. You need to stay hydrated too. I think I'm kind of dehydrated, so my throat is acting up. So drink water. It's so healthy for you. All right, so back to this one. So 7 became 6, remember, because the 2 has to borrow. And the 2 now has to be a what? It turns into a 12. So cross that 2 out and make it a 12. See? Just like what I did. Now, 12 take away 8. Again, fact families will help you. Count from 8. 8 in your mind. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4. And then 6 take away 4 is 2. Right there. So my answer is 245. Is that your answer? Okay, now we have to do something else. We have to check to make sure that our answer is correct. All right, and the way we do that, remember, we add. So we're going to take this number, 486, write it here. See, look, just like what I did. And then we're going to add the answer that we came up with, plus 245. See, just like that. All right, so let's add the ones place. What's 6 plus 5? 6 plus 5 is 11. Remember, we just did that a second ago with our fact families. So write the 1 and put the 1 on top of the 10s. So now have, what's 1 plus 8? 1 plus 8 is 9. And then 4 more is 13. Or look, you can do 8 plus 4 first, and that's 12 plus 1 is 13. So write the 3 and put the 1 over the hundreds just like that. And then we're going to do 1 plus 4 is 5. And then 2 more is 7. Or you can do 4 plus 2 is 6. And then 1 more is 7. So either way, as long as you added it correctly, you get the right answer. And OMG. Look at that. 731, 731, So what does that tell us? That we worked it out correctly, because when I checked my answer by adding, I got that answer and it's right there. So go Miss Alana, go you guys if you got that right. So make sure you work it out and then let me know, explain what you did to solve that problem right over here. So double thumbs up when you're done with that. Woo-hoo-hoo. On to the next one.